Come, let me show you how to retrieve any lost password, all right, or anybody password. Okay, so if you have a Facebook, you have Instagram, or you want to like retrieve somebody else password, this video is for you. Okay, so I will be showing you the tricks I use in retrieving a password. All right, so I'm going to show you right away. So right click on the website, go to inspect. All right. So you are going to see this code like they look for where they type input type, the password. So change it to text. Take it off from password, then change it to text. All right, simple as that. All right, so after changing it to text, you need to close the window. All right. So let me close the window so we can see now the password is available now. All right, so you can see. So if you lost a password, all right, or you want to like retrieve your lost password or any other person web password you are looking for, this is the right way to do it.